Let's see how we got here. What is that? Well, this is called Graphic Skinz. Today, I gave items around my room a makeover, and later you will see why I tore this thing apart, literally. So, now let me explain how this thing works. So, I don't know what these things are called, and I'm bad at explaining things, and calling everything these things doesn't help nobody. But basically, these things are like fake tattoos, and you know those fake tattoos that you used to get as a child? Yeah, those. So you basically put water on it, and then you put it in the bag, and you're supposed to press the button, and it vacuums the water out of the bag. So the water is supposed to travel to this drawer, but let's see how that turns out. And then you take it out of the bag and take the paper off, and there you have a nice design. But I decorated seashells, a ball, a pen, paint containers, and some other stuff.
Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love. But you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna cry, but you never do.
So this thing started leaking all over my table. A couple of drops, that's fine. It's expected since we're dealing with water. But a whole puddle? No. And I tried to look at the bottom, and I'm like, no water. Okay. So then I was like, oh, let me look in the drawer. Must be filled up with water. So then I might need to dump it. But there's no water. None. 0 drop. It looks dry. This is where the water is supposed to be. But as you can see, there's no water. And I was just lost and irritated because I couldn't do anything about it. Well, at the time. Eventually, well, you know how that ends. You saw the intro. So, while I was putting the flower box together, I froze because the machine started making noise all of it by itself. And so first of all, I got scared. I was like, whoa, why is it making noise? Oh my god, what's going on? And then I was just like, what? Why is it making noise? It's just unexpected. You wouldn't expect it. That's why I got scared. So yeah, that happened. So let's continue and see what other problems I faced. All I wanted to do was decorate some items, relax, have fun, but no, this thing gave me a headache. But I did have fun. Sort of. Kind of. Yeah.
You say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna cry, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose.
So you're probably wondering, what are you doing up at 2 a.m.? Well, I was editing a video. Shocking, not really. So basically I was like annoyed, heated, irritated, grouchy, tired, you name it, I was it. So I threw a fit, and looking back now, it's kind of funny, but then I was all the above, like I said before, and I ripped it apart for no reason. Oh wait, because I was mad, but eventually I took the batteries out and I had to look everywhere for the right screwdriver, which took about an hour. So I went to bed like at 3 o'clock. I couldn't even finish editing my video. I was so annoyed, okay? But yeah, that's what happened. And is this thing worth it? No, it's not, because it will leak water and annoy you. Or maybe that's just me, but it does decorate nice things. Yeah, and you can make and you can decorate a lot of stuff, which is kind of good. So is it worth it? I mean, if you want to deal with leaking water, no. But if you want to decorate cute things, be my guest, go ahead and use it. This is actually an old product. I found it under my bed a while ago. I mean, not under my bed, in my closet. I was like, let me just use this and make a video. And that turned out great, didn't it? Alright, but yeah. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on Wednesday. Bye!